Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the app lock in this device. So for this, we need to go to settings and tap on security and privacy. Then scroll down, tap on the option app lock. Okay, so to set the app lock, first we need to set a privacy password. For this, turn on this option app lock. Now tap on settings to create a privacy password. Tap on settings. So here we need to enter a privacy password. So if you want to use the pattern 4 digit or alphanumeric or pattern, tap on this option, use a different password type, and from this you can select any one. So here I am going to select the 4 to 16 digit. So here I am going to enter a 4 to 16 digit number. Okay. Then tap on tick button. Again, confirm the privacy password. So here we need to enter the answer of the security question. Actually, in case if you forgot your privacy password, using the security question answer, you can easily reset your privacy password. Okay, after that, tap on the tick symbol. So from this list of application, you can select the application that you want to log. So simply here I am going to select the application photos. Turn on this option, then theme store, then YouTube. These three applications. Okay, now let me show you how it work. Now first I am going to open the application photos. Now you can see they are asking for the privacy password. So here we need to enter the privacy password. Tap on tick symbol. You can see it is unlocked. Again close it. Again try to open photos. You can see they are asking for the privacy password. So the next application theme store, you can see they are asking for the privacy password. And the last one YouTube, try to open. You can see they are here only they are asking privacy password. So simply without any third party application, you can easily set the app lock in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.